Well, the message to President Assad is you haven't got much longer to implement the Annan plan and to show the world that you're serious at all about bringing an end to this situation. So far, the Assad regime has used the time coming up to these deadlines to increase the violence and repression against the population of Syria. This does mean the whole world can see who is responsible for this situation. So he hasn't got much longer to adhere to this plan. The plan isn't dead, it is still possible for a ceasefire to be observed, but the Syrian regime has so far done nothing to try to observe its terms. It does seem that they're not taking seriously the sensible plan that has been put forward with the united support of the United Nations Security Council. And this is an important point for all the disagreements that we've had with Russia and China on the Security Council over Syria over the last year. The Annan plan does have the united support of all of us, including Russia and China. So if even now the Assad regime are not going to follow that plan, then they will be in defiance of what Russia and China has supported, as well as Britain, France, and the United States. If the Annan plan isn't working, if the Syrian regime continue to do nothing to implement it, then we will be returning to the UN Security Council, but knowing now and being able to show the whole world that it's the Syrian regime obstructing a plan for peace in Syria, we will also be increasing our support in various ways for Syrian opposition movements, and I believe it will be right to begin the process of referring Assad to the International Criminal Court, although that also requires the agreement of the Security Council, so is not a simple process.